Hey everyone, my name is Ken, and in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the pre-training week 1 of the One Funnel Away Challenge. So I have here the box, the package that was shipped to me. It's pretty heavy. I'm going to be opening this and showing this to you guys, and then after that we're going to be jumping into the review of the pre-training week for the One Funnel Away Challenge. So with that said, let's get started. All right, so this is the One Funnel Away Challenge box that was shipped to my home. So it's currently July of 2020, and I'm in the middle of the challenge right now, but I did want to take a break and make a series of videos every single week to give you my input, my insight into how the challenge is going for me and what I think about it. So let's start with the unboxing. So let me flip it around. So when you open it, it has this kind of quote from Sir Winston Churchill: "Your training officially begins now." And right here, there's on the left side is, well, first let me do the right side. So there's this box here that has the MP3 player. And so it looks like this. So this MP3 player, it's preloaded with all of the audio ripped from the videos throughout the entire 30-day challenge. So you can just plug this in and start listening to every single video that will be shared with us on a day-to-day basis. And next up is this book here. This one is the 30 Days book. This is a pretty heavy book, and it has basically every, there's this card here that kind of talks about becoming an affiliate. And it has all this information from a lot of different marketers, and, just going over, what every single day, what they would do if they didn't have anything, if they were starting from scratch. So pretty cool, really heavy book. And next there's this another piece of paper that explains, the benefits of becoming an affiliate of the OFA challenge. And lastly is this. So there's a total of 3 items in this package. This one is probably one of the most important pieces. This is the One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. Now, if you didn't order the physical, you'll get these in PDF format. I think this is pretty nice because it has all of everything printed out. And again, I am in the middle of the challenge already, so I have been taking tons of notes. And as you see with, like my notes, there's a lot of information that they cover. And this definitely is a really helpful book because it just has everything right here. All right, so now I wanted to kind of go over the pre-training week and how that week went. So I'm kind of looking at the table of contents here, pre-training. And pre-training is all about the mind and just setting your mind, setting yourself up for a long 30 days ahead. So, Russell and everyone in the team, all of the coaches, had videos every single day just explaining about perseverance. Russell had a video, I think on day 2 or day 3 of the pre-training week, of how he kind of explained, where he started, the challenges he's been through when building ClickFunnels. And, he just brought up different pointers about, constantly striving to get what you want and what you deserve. So it's all about just believing in yourself and just having the correct mindset. This week was pretty, I would say, in terms of the videos, there's at least 2 to 3 videos every single day that you need to watch. And there's also the Facebook group that you're invited in as well, where you can network and ask questions. So this week was a pretty easy week in terms of work that you needed to do. It's really just making sure you're really focused and setting your mind up for success. I think one of the best days or the best videos was the fourth day, the 10x secrets video, which once you register, you'll get that video. He was at Grant Cardone's 10x conference a couple years ago, and this is Russell Brunson. He was on stage, and he kind of explained literally from the beginning, from pre-ClickFunnels, what he kind of went through, and the different how he went bankrupt, and how he literally started from ground zero and went up with his team and built a big business. So it was a pretty emotional video from him that kind of opened up my eyes in terms of how people, they're not just successful right off the bat. They really came from struggles and trying every single day to do something better. And Russell does kind of explain that in his video. So I thought that was really eye-opening, and it kind of gave me some encouragement that, just because, I am not Russell or not a big marketer or a guru out there, everyone starts from somewhere. And I think this pre-training week really set that in my mind. So yeah, it was a really good week. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about the official start, which is week 1 of the One Funnel Away Challenge. So hopefully you thought this was helpful. Comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much.